In order to compete with growing market of Chinese smartphone brands, Samsung has recently launched second version of its popular smartphone model J7 Prime, named as J7 Prime 2, with almost same looks but with enhanced camera, larger storage, bigger RAM and upgraded Android version for smooth performance and better selfie experience. With the price tag of 28,990 in Nepal, J7 Prime 2 packs 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM, 13 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel back camera with 3300 mAh battery. Its 5.5-inch Full HD 2.5D curved display is protected by Gorilla 4. Now let's check out its unboxing process. As usual, along with handset, Samsung provides earphone, charger and a data cable. Samsung J7 Prime, powered by 1.6 GHz octa-core Exynos 7870 processor, provides lag-free, smooth performance. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe the channel. Thank you.